you great.
I want my power.
One more hour.
Supporting him.
Out on a limb. Wanna be free.
Wanna be me.
I want. I want.
Stop with the guilt. Fit to the hilt. Stop shuddering in my brain. Get rid of all this pain.
Wanna find what's ahead.
Find love before I'm dead.
Stop saying yes. Ernie feels blessed.
Welcome to your inner negotiation workshop. My name is Randy, and I'll be leading your workshop. All of you met with our life coach to clarify your goals and review the ground rules.
Wanna learn to feel. Wanna become real. Wanna find my peace. Get a release.
Find my compass.
Stop being lost.
Be somebody.
Stop being a yes body.
You came here to get something that you couldn't resolve on your own. Call it a blind spot, stuck in a pattern, or merely wanting a change. If you could have resolved your goal on your own, you would have.
Stop being the bore. Stop feeling like a whore. Find my way. Live another day. Get over my addiction. Get a conviction.
Feel my dream.
Find my self-esteem.
This is different from any other workshop because you created. You probably think you came to one workshop, but each of you will have your own unique workshop that you will design and enact with the support of everyone here.
I want.
Wanna be hired.
Stop being tired. Get a new outlook.
Stop being overlooked.
Guide me from above.
Let's get started.
For this to work, you must become so determined, so focused, or so fed up that you literally break out of the old pattern and do something you've never done before.
I want.
I know this doesn't make sense to you right now, but trust me,
I want.
you now.
Want.
If it were